All right, everyone, welcome back here again. So today, what we're doing today is we're continuing the bench seat that we did last time. So we're gonna be using the same product. This is IKEA. All right. These are the cover panel for the pantry, and this is what we're gonna be using. That goes on top of the bench seats. All right. So we're going to do some cutting here. Okay, let's check. This All right. All right. So right now we're cutting the one that goes on the corner. Do the same thing. All right. Let's go check this one first. Let's see how it fits. Okay. So right now we're working on one side first. So let's set this one up and see how it goes. Ooh. See that on there? So we need to scribe that in. And this one here, it was, which one is this one? So that one, this one is okay. So we just need to scribe this one up like this. Right? Ready? Okay. So this is how I do it. See that gap here? So we need this. Shoot like that. We go like this. Nope. Alright, so let's cut that one out. I mean, shave it off. Check off. Oh, it's not sharp. Close. This one now. That's the reason why I did this one first. Because for me, in order to get the measurement for this one. So now we know what's the measurements. Right? And the GO train is always comes in every few minutes. Okay, so now let's do this one now. All right, so I have my measurements. So we need 36.58. Right. All right, let's try it on. Looks better now. There you go. Okay. And for that, we're just gonna buy some kind of a flat handle. Okay, I'm just gonna put something in here, and we're good to go. What's this one? Okay. How much is that? All right, so right now we're doing the kick plate. Okay, so we're gonna be using the offcut. So since the offcut is a little short, so what I usually do, I'll see this. There's like finish ends here. So this is where I'm going to join them. Right. Okay, let's put it in. So now we're just gonna screw these guys down, and then we're good to go. Right? Screw it underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, so there.
Remove the plastic.
Wow,
You want to remove the plastic?
that's the final looks.
Let's remove the plastic.
There you have it. Oh, I bumped.
Mention is custom.
Yeah.